Imagine picking up a Pro Max phone and then realizing there's a second screen on the back. No, this isn't an iPhone. And no, this isn't a concept device. This is the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. And honestly, it might be one of the most extreme flagship smartphones ever made. Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Tech AB, your home for honest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a phone that clearly wants to challenge Apple's Pro Max name and in some areas go even further. Right out of the box, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max feels premium. You get a 100-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and even a protective case, something many flagship brands no longer include. That alone already gives Xiaomi a strong start. The included case is actually pretty interesting. It's a hard transparent shell with real clickable buttons. You don't just press them, you feel them. That tactile feedback makes a surprising difference in daily use. As soon as you pick up the phone, you understand why Xiaomi calls this a Pro Max. The design is bold, futuristic, and impossible to ignore. That massive area on the back isn't just a camera module, a large portion of it is actually a fully functional secondary display. Yes, there's a real screen on the back of the phone. And this isn't some low quality panel either. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, reaches extremely high brightness, and even wraps around the camera lenses. This rear display lets you check notifications, control music, preview videos, and most importantly, take selfies using the rear cameras instead of the front one. And once you use it, it actually makes a lot of sense. In the hand, the phone feels solid and well balanced, despite everything packed inside. You get a USB-C port at the bottom, a dual nano SIM tray, stereo speakers, and a premium glass and metal build. The green color option looks especially clean and stands out from the usual black and silver flagships. On the front, you're looking at a large 6.9-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels fluid, animations are buttery smooth, and the panel is bright, sharp, and highly contrasty. The software may remind you of iOS at first glance, but this is fully Android, and it feels incredibly responsive. Powering the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is top-tier performance with no compromises. Apps open instantly, multitasking is effortless, and demanding games run smoothly without stutter. Everything about this phone feels fast. Not just in benchmarks, but in real-world use, switching apps, opening the camera, scrolling through social media, it all feels instant. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where things get very serious. You get a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization paired with a periscope telephoto lens offering 5 times optical zoom. Photos come out sharp, detailed, and well balanced. Colors look natural, white balance is accurate, and dynamic range is excellent. Zoom performance is impressive too, even at higher zoom levels. Images stay surprisingly clean. Video performance is just as impressive. The phone supports 8K recording, along with 4K at 60 frames per second and even 4K at 120 frames per second. Stabilization is excellent, and footage looks smooth and cinematic. Thanks to the rear display, you can vlog using the main camera while perfectly framing yourself. You can shoot in landscape or portrait without guessing, and that makes this phone incredibly useful for content creators. The Super Macro mode deserves special mention. It lets you capture extreme close-ups with an insane level of detail. You can literally see tiny fibers and textures that most phones completely miss. It's one of those features you don't expect to use often, but once you try it, it's genuinely impressive. Now let's talk about battery life, because this phone goes all in. Inside is a massive 7500 milliamp hour battery. That's huge by flagship standards. Charging is just as extreme. You get 100-watt wired fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging for accessories or other phones. Battery anxiety simply isn't a thing here. So, is the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max really worthy of the Pro Max name? Honestly, yes. You're getting a rear display, a massive battery, top tier performance, powerful cameras, and features that even Apple doesn't currently offer. The only real downside is availability, since this model is extremely regional and mainly limited to China. But if Xiaomi ever releases this globally, it could seriously shake up the smartphone market. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you use a phone with a screen on the back? Or do you think it's too much? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews right here on TriTech AB. I'll see you in the next one.